It's really hard for the previous generation to pass the torch because they're worried about, you know, is my name going to be on the cover? The beauty of our generation, however, is that honestly, people who are our age, if we don't want to do something at this point, you've seen it. You've seen it on like TV, and these kids are just not going to do it. And so if you do want to do something, you don't care whose name is on it, you just want the job to get done. That's the beauty of our generation. So we just need those people in the previous generation to come out, kind of like hold our hand. So, hey, you want to work? Let me put you to work, pretty much. As far as my vision for Haiti, as we were speaking about earlier, I'm a type A person, and I'm definitely a doer. A little bit less than a thinker. And Mirta and I earlier were discussing Maslow's hierarchy of needs. It seems like there's a lot of plight in Haiti, you know, dealing with politics, dealing with education and that kind of thing. And she was just saying everybody's just trying to build a school and put their name on the front of it when you have students who need to drink water. You cannot learn anything if you do not have, you know, clothes on your back and you don't have the energy just to stay awake in class. So I mean, my vision first and foremost would be that we get clean water. I mean, it's just a basic necessity to everybody in Haiti, that we get the roads paved so that, you know, you'd have more commute, people would be able to do more business, there'd be more jobs, and that Haiti has a sense of ownership with these things too, because when you have a lot of Americans coming in and, you know, giving out supplies, there's still no sense of ownership. Everything is still very temporary. So we need to ingrain those things into the actual culture. That's what I think.